Hey there friends, Susan here. Are you ready for sketch number 38? Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be playing with the inked Botanicals DSP today. I've paired it with Lost Lagoon and Very Vanilla. We're going to have two different panels cut similarly but a little bit different. Here's the first panel and then here is the second panel. The third panel is a piece of scrap from a previous project. I used the So Sincere stamp set with Lost Lagoon ink to coordinate with my colors and stamp my sentiment on the Very Vanilla piece. So here are all the parts and pieces we're going to use. Remember, all the details for cutting these pieces will be in my mini tutorial if you want to subscribe to that special email. To start the project, you know we need to fold our card base in half and score it with our bone folder. Next, we're going to add our two panels of larger DSP. The first one goes along the left with just a step in from the edge, and the right one overlaps with a step in from the right. Next, we're going to take these four pieces and create our sentiment tag. First, I added adhesive along the left-hand side of my sentiment, added my scrap DSP down the side, and then folded it over and adhered it to the back side. Next, we're going to repeat the process, but this time with the skinny green piece, adhesive on the front, line it up along the bottom edge, flip it over, and then adhere down the two little flaps from both sides. Then I take that finished panel and I use liquid adhesive and add it to the small piece of cardstock and just mount it up to be ready to go on front of our card. I do that with dimensionals, as you can see here in this picture. Next, I wanted to add a little bit of bling, so I used the Tinsel Gems and Lost Lagoon, so I'm pairing my colors to create a little bit of excitement on the front of the card. So here's the finished project for today. I hope you enjoyed the process. Remember to leave me comments and click that thumbs up button down below. Let me know you liked what I shared. Again, if you want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, you do that down below. You can subscribe to my newsletter or purchase the mini tutorial newsletter with the links in the comments below. Thanks everybody. I hope you enjoyed today, and I'll stamp again with you real soon.